So we're going sideways along the fence, relaxed with our head down. We're continuing our bare minimum groundwork series. So what I want to look at is, as I start going from standstill into forwards and backwards, rights and lefts, ups and downs, my horse does so in a relaxed manner. When they move with their head relaxed and stretched out, I can be more confident in knowing that we're not holding tension. Sideways with our head down, relaxed along the fence on a 12-foot line. The reason that we're going to use the fence and we're not doing sideways, we're starting with forward as the focus, is the fence helps control out of control forward motion. So again, if I can shush his nose, neck, there goes the shoulder, ribs, and hip, and he can walk off down the fence forward. If I then stop, the fence stopped him. So this is a great way to start getting my horse under control with forwards and backwards. I'll yaw them, and then I'll hunker down, hold my rope, and have the rope cause them to turn and face me. Okay, where I could bring him to me and rub him and tell him he's good. That's just forwards and backwards. How to walk. I'm going to ask him to go forward. There, he's gone forward. If I just stop, he's gone backwards by going less forward. His hip stepped to his left so he could turn right and towards me. We have to learn to see all these little pieces and which body part went which direction to shape him and teach him to move with his head down. You can see my hand here. Don't have all this tension. Straighten your elbow. Take your finger, push down on the rope. And while you do that, you push with the stick towards the nose and neck. That pushes it over and away and into the rope where he can then feel it. Notice the rope is taut, so I can lead his nose down. And when I can combine these feels, I can start to shape his nose and neck down. So we're going sideways along the fence, relaxed with our head down. This right hind is stepping. So this was his right hind foot. This was his left front foot. Okay, see how they're all lined up? That's the most lateral you need, most angle you need to your sideways for all sports. There's enough room under his belly. I could put a pole here on the ground and he could go sideways over it. See it? So even if you're in working equitation, you have to go sideways over a pole. They do not need to move perpendicular to the fence like this. I can be at this 45-degree angle that he's at, and that's enough. As a bare minimum, walking relaxed with our head down, sideways along the fence is a great way to start forwards, backwards, right and left. And with these pieces in play, we're communicating with all the body parts in all the directions for at least a little bit.